Welcome to Animal Classification.
All animals fall into two main groups. Those with backbones called vertebrates, and those without called
Got a backbone? You're a vertebrate. There are 5 types: mammals with fur,
birds with feathers, scaly reptiles, water-loving amphibians, and fish.
Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell button to get an update.
feed milk to their babies and are warm-blooded. Even sperm whales and big brown bats are mammals.
Birds are the only animals with feathers. They lay eggs, have wings, and hollow bones that help them fly.
Reptiles have dry, scaly skin, lay eggs on land, and love sunbathing to warm up.
Amphibians start life in water, then live on land. Watch them transform and change.
Fish live underwater, breathe through gills, and have fins and scales to help them swim. Invertebrates have no backbone. Insects, spiders, jellyfish, and octopuses all belong here. Six amazing groups, all different, all wonderful, all part of our animal kingdom.